YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this one's the O30B skateboards. The dimensions are 8.5 inch by 32.25 inch multicolor. Size is 8.5. Retail price for this $60 plus $10 shipping fee, and then the tax on this is $5.25. So the total damage is $75.25. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So you always come with this long shopping bag with the red box logo. So I'm not sure, are those like ventilation holes or something? I see like a dot around this plastic saran wrap. Anyway, let's go ahead and look at the sticker real quick. Be sure to look for this sticker so you know yours is original. So you get the description and then the season that was dropped. Got the barcode number. This one's the multi-color, size 8.5. And this one is made in Mexico. And on the top of the deck, you always have this world famous with the Supreme box logo right there. And you got the Supreme box logo sticker that's inside the saran wrap. Let's go ahead and check out the bag. Wow, look at that. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. File the ID or identification. It says return to the 36 chambers, the 30 version. And November 15, 1968, guess when he was born. And then O30B, that's his signature. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.